USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about USD against dollar against Swiss franc. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. So go and join Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. And then check out the brokers and the platform right here. So join these brokers to create a separate account so that you can trade in that account with my signals and with my signals only. Okay. Subscribe, like, do all of this. I'm coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are down. Trend is down. That's what you need to know for weekly. In daily, I think we're going to go up. So we had a long downtrend, which is time for a pullback. Okay. So I'm not saying this will be the start of the uptrend, but we will be taking a pullback. Even if we take the pullback, we still have the potential to take some long trades or long trades or long entries. Okay, so this was the downtrend. New lows created. All the previous lows for 5 years are broken, I believe. Okay, so we are in the pullback right now. So pullback might happen until 50%, 38%. Nobody knows. But look for entries in. If you're an intraday trader or a scalper, whatever, if you trade 1 hour, 4 hour, then look for maybe longs in USDCHF. Let's come back to 4 hour for entry. Entry signal is, I think, right here. Okay, so you have to understand that this previous high is broken and this high is not broken yet. Okay, so and we are near the EMA and new low is not created. So you can see here, this red candle has not been broken by this red candle, and we were consolidating on Friday. Okay, so I think our entry should be, we should be ready for both the options. If the next red candle breaks below this what we call this low, then you go short. But if this high is broken by the next blue candle, then you go long. If if the next blue candle breaks this previous this blue candle, then you go long and take your profit at the EMA. But if this low is broken with the by the next red candle, then you go short and take your profit somewhere here. So be ready for both the options in 4 hour. Let the high break, then go long until the EMA, or let this red candle be eaten by the next coming red candle and then go short until you take profits here. So that's it. That's enough for USDCHF for free. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, and join Telegram for free signals and join the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.